following him everywhere.
Maybe we'll get the death of Mango.
Bird! Be nice. Bird, stop biting his butt. Bird! I can see Bird! Bird! I see you. I see
Stop.
you. Okay.
Get her, bite her.
No. That's my baby. You don't hurt my baby. You know I did punks like you? I cover him up.
Stop being mean to him.
Fucking do anything like that to my bird again.
You know, I could have recorded this and put it on Facebook, but you and your fucking foul mouth.
Well, you need to
You've
stop.
ruined about 6 videos so far.
Good.
One with your gut.
Edit it. Kill that piece of shit.
Sneak over here. Mango's trying to regurgitate now. He took a feather out of him.
He's grooming him.
Pulling feathers out.
He had his fucking foot down on him so he couldn't move. Yes. There he goes again. He's fucking.
Hey! Hey!
But
You're too rough with that, but you shouldn't have control of that bird.
I can't save him now because he flew back.
Oh shit, bird was looking up at me.
Can I grab one of the birds? Bird's holding him down. He's holding him
He's eating
down.
his ass feather now.
He's biting his butt.
Do you need a little alone time?
What if one of them's gonna lay an egg eventually?
He's holding his foot down on his head. Hey! 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 Fucking be nice!
Who?
Bird! He was fucking holding him by his... He was holding him by his foot.
So I can get Mango. You distract
And then he was fucking beaking him.
Mike, you distract
He was face mushing him and then beaking him.
Mike, distract Bird. I
Gonna
can
force feed him?
Yeah.
Take the shit.
Aww.
I gotta make a plan so I can grab him.
Hey!
Stop it!
You hurt my bird, I'm really gonna hurt you.
Stop doing
Let's
that!
do that again. We're gonna leave
No,
him
I'm
in the
trying.
room.
That was my plan to grab Mango.
Do that again, you and Mango can do this in your room.
Like a bullet.
I'm not doing it.
He's biting.
Don't look at me.
He knows what I'm doing. Mike!
Throw the blanket over my bird again, you're leaving.
Get it. Kidnapped him.
Use your fucking hands. Stop being a little pussy.
I kidnapped the tango.
Give my keys too. Before you guys lose them.
He's looking for Mango. Aww.
We'll kill that shitty bird.
No, Mango.
Oh, look, he's looking under there for Mango, poor thing. He's like, where'd you go, dude?
Go. Go be to him. Just be nice. Mango's like, I'm right here. I'm right here. Mango hide. Mango's looking for him.
I promise that's not me making that noise. He's like, ooh, there's my friend.
This is my food. I eat meat. He's like, I eat birds.
He's gonna poop on you. And then he poops on Mango's egg. Oh no, he's gonna do it.
He's gonna shit.
I wish my bird would shit on Mango's face.
He almost did.
Mango crawled up.
Face mush, I wanna see it.
Aww. Mango, be nice. Well, I trying to be a sweetheart to you, Mango.
He's like, look.
Your face mush is coming up soon. Mango fights back anymore, but gonna sweat.
And then he beats him.
Hey, hey!
But if you hurt him, I'm taking Mango away from you.
Hey!
For the
Hey!
Your face mushed him again.
Hey! Hey! Get your bird away, fucking Brianna.
I can't
Oh,
distract
well.
them. They're too close
Go
to
get
each
'em.
other.
Hey!
Bad!
Fuck you, Mango. Get your dumb bird.
Back up. No!
He don't even want me anymore.
Mango's like a little chick. Mango follows him everywhere.
He's like, go back in there so I can protect you. I'm about to attack this phone, bitch. It's like, but she's got that defensive hardness about her.
Fire the cannons! Cannon 1, cannon 2, cannon 3.
Where are you at, friend? He goes, let me stop and get a snack first.
Eating fucking hair.
No, he's eating chips.
Maybe that's why birds so mean.
Mango's trying to eat the wood.
Bird. Ah! When you're done, you bring the Pepsi. What do you do? Glass me and put it in the sink.
What are you doing, motherfucker? You think you're being sneaky?
I feel like I'm sneaking up on him.
Hey,
like...
what's on the camera? You see anything?
That's a big motherfucking eyeball right there.
Where's Mango?
There he is. I think I sneaked Mango
Leave it
out.
out. He's trying to chew on some wood.
I'm gonna sneak him out.
I'd rather be doing that than you having fucking holding him captive.
Peekaboo, I see Mango! Look at him.
Leave him alone, Brianna.
Oh shit. Sicky.
I think Mango told
The
him.
bird's gonna take it down.
But I like to that he bent over and takes a couple mics. Mom, you know that'd be so funny.
Come on, Mango!
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 Mango's being held
He's
captive.
squishing it. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. He's holding on for dear life. He's almost got it. He's almost got it. Here he comes.
Birds come to the rescue.
Bird kicks him in the face, kicks him back down.
Oh my god, he's getting close to you. Just be still, Michael. Let them both get on your neck.
Like you. Oh,
Mango's gonna go for that motherfucking mole on the back of his head.
Like always.
Get it, Mango.
If he's shepherd, I can get Mango Mike.
I want to see this shit when he goes for the fucking, when he goes for the motherfucking gold on the back
Bird,
of Mike's
protect
neck.
me.
Yeah, hey, the bird don't even care, Mike. Bird said I gotta look good for the camera. Bird's like, man, Mango just has his butt all puffed up and funny looking. Mango's so you're looking funny looking. Bird's over here all he's making himself all pretty and
Bird's
stuff.
like, this is my human. I dare you. This is my human.
Mango's like, well, I have 12 other humans waiting in line for me.
Oh. He's going down. Oh, he's face mushing his beak.
Is he?
Bird!
I can't see him.
Bird!
Mango starts the shit.
Mike, if you can